We have been using the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max for a while now, and let's just say this thing might just be the coolest flying camera. From crazy smooth video to a gimbal that gets PTSD from walls, today we will share with you everything we love and hate about the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. Let's start by unboxing this tiny beast. Inside the box, you'll find a drone folded up like origami, along with a few accessories. The X1 Pro Max is small, foldable, and light enough to slip into a jacket pocket. Actually, smaller than most phones, but despite the size, it doesn't feel fragile. The X1 Pro Max looks like it could handle a few knocks without falling apart. What you get in the box depends entirely on the bundle. The standard combo includes the essentials: a battery, USB-C cable, charger, charging hub, and a basic carry case. If you go for one of the larger bundles, you get a much more complete setup: a beacon controller, joysticks, ND filters, bike and magnetic mounts. It's generous, but for first-time buyers it may feel like you are paying extra just to unlock features that arguably should be included from the start. The design is smart, like very pocketable. 192.5 grams, foldable into 105mm, 149mm and 34mm, but while the portability is great, there's one more major compromise: the gimbal. It's fully exposed with no physical protection. On one of our indoor test flights, a minor bump into a wall was enough to throw the gimbal off, and it hasn't fully stabilized since. That's not a great look for something designed to be used in the real world. We get that HOVERAir wanted to keep things sleek and minimal, but in this case it might be too minimal for its own good. Don't get me wrong, this is not the first time this drone bumped. It bumped maybe already dozens of times with me outdoors, into trees, into light stands, etc, but still it came alive. It came back stronger than never before, and I was very surprised that it handled all these bumps, all these crashes, guys. I'm telling you, minimum 10 times I crashed this drone in the last 2 months. Now let's talk about the best part about the X1 Pro Max, is the camera. The X1 Pro Max is essentially a flying camera that's aiming to deliver the kind of footage you usually expect from something much bigger. It shoots up to 8K 30 FPS, though most users will get more value from the excellent 4K at 120 FPS or 1080p at 120 FPS for smooth slow motion.